Today I'm taking a look at the Crimper kit. So we have our instructions, and that tells us what each jaw is designed for. So if we're crimping ferrules, we're going to be using the 10WF. If we're crimping large ferrules, we'll be using the 35WF. Do appreciate that each jaw has its own spot. I don't have to really open up anything. All I have to do is reach in and grab the one that I want. So we can see this is a match set. This is the 2546, and that is printed on both sides. And for the 125, they also have them color-coded so we know exactly which spot goes where. It does come with some strippers. I also really like this foam. That is precision cut foam. So the wire strippers are good for 10 to 22 gauge wire. They do have a lock, and they are spring loaded. And then our crimper comes with a jaw already installed. That is a nice ratcheting mechanism on there, and it has a tensioning adjustment on it as well. So we have 3 jaws on the right, 3 jaws on the left, and a jaw on the crimper, so that is a total of 7 jaws. This is interesting. Most of the time you just grab these guys and pull it out. This one actually has a locking pin. That's pretty neat. So they will not just pull out until you pull the locking pin. Now I want to attach a ferrule, so I'm going to use the 10WF. And again, we just press that pin and slide that in. And we just want to make sure that jaw lines up right. If it didn't, we do have a release right here. We can pop that up and we can release that ratchet. So we can drop our ferrule onto the wire, and we'll drop that onto the 16 gauge and give it a crimp. And there we go. We've got a nice solid connection that I cannot pull off. Now for the next one, I want to put on a spade terminal. So strip this wire back, give it a twist, and drop that in. You want to have just a little copper hanging out the end, and crimp that. Yeah, that is another nice solid connection. So now we got a spade to a ferrule. So yeah, that is a nice little kit. Makes solid connections, and there is a ton of variety in the different jaws. So I'm very happy with that.